We'll guide you through how to fix the keyboard not showing up on an Android. If you find this useful, then please consider subscribing and liking the video. This problem can be really annoying as it means you're unable to go and type things and so therefore properly use your phone. So you may be trying to go and tap on text boxes or just places where you can go and type, or you should be able to go and type, and it's not appearing. So we've got some different fixes you can try, so make sure it's this full video. The first thing we're going to try doing is performing a restart. So what you want to do is hold down on the side power button like so, and you should go and see this screen here. And then what you can do is go and tap on restart and restart again to confirm your decision. Now go and wait. When it starts again, try tapping somewhere where a keyboard should go and open, and hopefully now it does. However, if it still doesn't, the next thing we're going to try doing is opening up our settings. Scroll down like so, and we need to go and find General Management. Tap Reset at the bottom, and then you can scroll down again and find Factory Data Reset. Doing this will go and reset it to its factory default settings and remove everything. So you can back up your data before doing this, and this should hopefully go and fix the problem. If you found this useful, then leave a like.